change the path of time? What if I had the power to decide? What if I could make us unified?